Hello everybody and welcome back to another daily update video of the cryptocurrency market. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and Bitcoin is trading at $94,500 as you can see right here. And yesterday we tested our weekly pivot as resistance as you can see right here, and we got rejected, so we were trading below it. But currently, as you can see, Bitcoin is still not breaking that value area low level right here, and also our weekly support 1 level at 92.9. So this level is very key. As long as we don't break below this level, the box I drew, if we hold this, then I'm expecting a potential reversal right here. So if the price does something like this, comes here to this level, and then maybe we can break and test our high here at the Fibonacci golden pocket once again. But for now, as you can see, we are still trading above this level, and we have not tested it yet as of right now. But currently Bitcoin is still consolidating. If we, for example, look on the higher time frame, as you can see, let me just make it like this, we are still consolidating here like we were consolidating this week before the breakout to the upside. And when we broke out of this consolidation right here, Bitcoin got a move of approximately 16%. So if this is the same as this here, then the possibility of a breakout and testing the 100,000 are very high. And probably if we break out from our pivot to our weekly resistance tree right here at almost 101.9, that's like 102k, we get another 8% of a move to the upside. So once this consolidation ends, and if we are above our weekly pivot right here, then the possibility of a break to the upside is very, very high. And also, let's cover the S&P 500. As you can see, if we move to the 4-hour time frame, yesterday, as I talked about our trend line in my last video, I showed you guys that we are still keeping this trend line. As you can see, the video from yesterday, we actually were trading above our weekly pivot right here, as you can see, but we broke below it. But guess where we bounced from? We bounced from that same exact trend line. We did not lose our trend. As you can see, I drew it before and we tested it once, twice, and 3 times with a fake out here, as you can see. And currently the S&P 500 is trying to break above our weekly pivot. And if this trend line keeps supporting us, so if the price keeps going up and testing our trend line here, I'm easily expecting Bitcoin to not even possibly hit this level and just break above our weekly pivot and then test it as support, and then it's up only. Also, as you can see right here on this dip exactly that we've been having, we got our open interest going up and we got our CVD going down. So what this means, there were many short positions opening right here and they got squeezed. That's called a short squeeze right here. As you can see, everybody was shorting this bottom right here at around 93.8, and Bitcoin made an impulsive move of about 1.5%, squeezing all these shorts right here, as you can see. And also we almost took out all the liquidations. We didn't exactly took all of them as I wanted to look for more upside, but we took some. We took maybe half of them. So in my opinion, that's probably, as you can see right here, we are probably going to make another retest of the lows and maybe lower at around 91.9 or 92k. As you can see, here are the last liquidation sitting on this box right here where my mouse is pointed. As you can see, that's exactly where our value area low and our support 1 and support 2 are located, as you can see. So basically, if we count that wick right here, that wick, as you can see, this candle, if the price rejects one more time from our weekly pivot, then I'm expecting another move down of approximately 3% to the downside, as you can see. But we kind of have created here a bullish divergence, as you can see right here. We got on our chart and on our momentum wave, as you can see, that's called a bullish divergence right here. So if it confirms, then Bitcoin is probably going to go up, but that depends, of course, if we break above that weekly pivot and that high volume node right here, as you can see, our POC and value area high. And also it strongly depends if the S&P 500 keeps this uptrend right here, as you can see. As long as this line gets respected, I don't see a reason that we don't take out these resistances above, as you can see right here. But also something that I don't like is if we go on a higher time frame, for example this right here, this high, and this high right here that we also made, that's a lower high. And if this confirms like this, then we have a great possibility to continue going down, and maybe in the worst case scenario test this bottom right here that we made once again. But that's only speculation, so I don't believe currently that that's possible. But we have to expect everything, and as long as we don't break above of this golden pocket right here and this high volume node, then I'm expecting more of a downside to come. And also, as you can see, let's move to Ethereum. The altcoins are showing weakness. As you can see, Ethereum from the high that we made is currently down almost 5%. Solana is also down almost 9%, as you can see. Let me check Ethereum again, if I measured it right from our top here. No, Ethereum is currently down less than Solana, but that's still a lot of it, a lot of percentage down. And also Sui from the top that it made is currently down almost 16%, guys. So as you can see here, all the altcoins that I have are currently in the red. So altcoins are showing weaknesses compared to Bitcoin, but that's normal because the Bitcoin domination keeps going up. It's at 65%. That's and as you can see, our momentum wave is currently still going up. So that's just a strong momentum. As you can see, if we draw a trend line right here, it doesn't even get touched anymore. As you can see, it got here respected once again, and since then the Bitcoin domination is up only. So that's bad for the altcoins, but it's very good for Bitcoin. So I suggest you just stick to Bitcoin for now. And yeah, basically something that is also I wanted to talk about, our Bitcoin ETF flow. So the inflows, we got from yesterday another 500 million in the BlackRock spot ETF, as you can see right here. So they've been non-stop buying, as you can see. That's keeping the price strong. And also our fear and greed index is currently 50 at neutral. So what this also means is soon we're going to get a move. As I said, Bitcoin has been consolidating since the 22nd April, and it's been just going sideways, choppy price action like here. And after we broke out from here, as you can see, we got a pretty nice move. So if we break from here to the upside, then we're also going to get a pretty nice move from Bitcoin. But what this shows, the fear and greed, is that it's bound to happen soon, since this won't stay long at 50. So yeah, since we broke out, we have been raging 13 days. So almost that's, yeah, basically 13 days. and the last range we were ranging for only 8 days. So this range is currently longer, so this probably means that the move is going to be stronger. It depends. It doesn't matter if it's going to the upside or the downside, the move is going to be stronger since we've been consolidating longer right here. And for me, I think as we can see right now, the stock market, if the stock market holds, I expect the move to be to the upside. But if the stock market breaks that trend line, and also if we look at it on the daily, creates a lower high right here, as you can see, we have a higher, lower high, our high here, lower high, and possibly this is another lower high right here, as you can see. So basically these are right now we are at a very important level also for the stock market. If we break down from here, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a significantly bigger move to the downside, and also possibly taking out these lows right here. Possibly, I don't believe that this scenario will play out as soon, but we gotta keep an eye on it. And basically just be careful. And also I wanted to remind you guys that tomorrow we got the FOMC press conference. So if they cut rates this time, then we have a higher probability of going up also for the stock market. But if they don't, then it's very possible that, as I said, the stock market breaks down this trend and confirm this lower high right here, and then we go down, make another correction of maybe around 6% right here to our last support of the pivot. And yes guys, that will be it for today. Hope you will have an amazing week ahead, and I will see you next time. Bye.